You didn't challenge me. You were a reject. I was the first crowned winner. Your name should be Reject. I was one of the greatest thoroughbreds of all time. There's a reason why they call me Big Red. Because I was the freaking best horse there. What do you have that's better than me?
Boy, you think you're so tough. Please. I was a champ when I was 3 years old. You started when you were, what, 10? I won the Queen's Place by 7.5 leagues. Sure, you were amazing, but I'm still remembered in the 20th century.
Yeah, chat all you want. But at least I stood up in less than 3 seconds. I was like a machine out there. If you and me raced, you'd be sorry.
You silly Americans. You think you are so awesome, but us Canadians are so much better in so many ways. You broke all your legs, and you were put down to the ground. Oh, and by the way, I think you were pretty fat. Are you sure you're not a Shetland? Oh, and one more thing before this epic rap ends. My nickname, Northern American's Champ, was better than yours.